Class 11th students, I am going to teach you doping topic number 5 and 6. Ergogenic acids, ergogenic ads and doping in sports. Number 6, doping control procedure. So, learn ergonic ads. Ergonic ads types are psychological, mechanical, pharmacological, and physiological and nutritional. These are types ergonic ads. Now I am taking psychological ads. Hypnosis, the induction of a state of consciousness in which a person apparently loses the power of voluntary action and is highly responsive to suggestion or direction. Hypnosis is this. Music, superstition, a widely held but the irrational belief in supernatural influences, especially as leading to God or bad luck, or a practice based on such a belief. Now, types of the ergonic ads and psychological ads. Performance enhancement techniques. Mental game coaching is the segment of sports psychology that concentrates specifically on the helping athletes back through the mental barriers to achieve their peak potential. Number 1, improve focus and deal with distraction. Grow confidence in athletes who have doubts. Develop coping skills to deal with setbacks and errors. Find the right zone of intensity for your sport. To instill a healthy belief system and identify irrational thoughts. Improve or balance motivation for optimal performance. Develop confidence post injury. To develop game specific strategies and games plans. Now, mechanical aids. Clothing, equipment, heat and cold application, improved body mechanics, its definition. The use of one's body to produce motion that is safe, energy conserving and efficient, all of which allow the person to maintain balance and control environment, playing condition and surface. Pharmacological aids. Over-the-counter drugs. Over-the-counter drugs are medicines sold directly to a consumer without a prescription from a healthcare professional. जैसे कि कॉफीन, नाइकोटीन, एम्फेटामिन्स and melatonin, etc. Increase mental alertness, concentration, central nervous system stimulant, elevated mood, decreased fatigue, and improved muscular strength. Now, pharmacological aids का recreational drugs. Recreational drugs are mind-alerting chemical substances that are used for non-medicinal leisure purposes, such that taking a substance for the sole purpose of getting high, as like alcohol, marijuana, cocaine, etc. Prescription drugs. A prescription drug is a pharmaceutical drug that legally requires a medical prescription to be dispensed. Anabolic steroids, benzodiazepines, beta-adrenergic. Physiological aids. Blood doping, erythropoietin, EPO. The primary role of erythropoietin is red blood cell production. Altitude training. Altitude training is a training for several weeks at high altitude, preferably over 2,400 meters, 8,000 feet above sea level for the endurance. The effects of altitude training on body include an increase of endurance, reduced recovery time, weight loss, etc. Glycerol, for keeping the body hyperhydrated. Now continue types of algogenic aids, nutritional aids. Now, bee pollen, carbohydrate loading, coenzyme Q10, creatine, phosphate, water or special beverages. Now I explain nutritional aids. Bee pollen, mixture of vitamins, minerals, amino acids and other nutrients thought to improve performance. Carbohydrate loading, the practice of eating high amounts of carbohydrates, sometimes after a period of low carbohydrates intake for several days, immediately before competing in an athletic event, especially a marathon, in order to store glycogen in the body, thereby providing greater results of energy. And after that, coenzyme Q10. अब equinon, ubiquinone, it's used for energy production by every cell in your body and is therefore vital for good health, high energy levels, longevity and general quality of life. Facilitate anaerobic metabolism as part of the electron transport chain, classified as a vitamin. Now continue water or special beverages. Now water. Water causes bloating which will suppress thirst and therefore drinking. Water contains no carbohydrate or electrolytes and it also increases urine output. It's sports drink. These enhance performance during exercise, have a good absorbability as they are isotonic, meaning that they have a similar composition to that of body fluids. Isotonic fluids, because of their good absorbability, quickly replace fluids lost by the sweating and supply a boost of carbohydrates. Now same water or special beverages is juice. The juice are hypertonic. That means they have more carbohydrate or glucose molecules per milliliter. They may be nutritious but are not a good choice for hydration. The fructose or the fruit sugar in the juices reduces the rate of water absorption, so the cells don't get hydrated quickly. Hypertonic fluids should be taken along with the isotonic solutions or in diluted form. This should normally be taken after exercise. Carbonated beverages. Carbonated beverages cause dehydration. They have caffeine and thus have a diuretic effect, which means that they increase urine output. Also, they have a bloating effect and give a feeling of fullness. This inhibits the natural thirst mechanism. Types of algogenic aids, same topic, legal supplements, behaviors. Creatine phosphate, equivocal. Creatine phosphate is an organic compound that provides a quick source of energy for the muscles fibers to contract when they need an initial burst of energy. Caffeine, a substance that is found especially in coffee and tea and that makes you feel more awake. Now, I will take topic 6, डोपिंग कंट्रोल प्रोसीजर. डोपिंग को क्या कंट्रोल करने की क्या प्रोसीजर है? टेस्टिंग ऑफ प्रोहिबिटेड सब्सटेंसेस इज मैंडेटरी इन द फील्ड ऑफ स्पोर्ट एंड एथलीट कैन बी कॉल्ड फॉर डोप टेस्टिंग एट एनी टाइम इन आर आउट ऑफ कंपटीशन, किसी भी समय. फॉलोइंग आर द टेस्ट, वन यूरिन टेस्टिंग एंड सेकेंड इज ब्लड टेस्टिंग. Now I will explain urine testing. सैंपल इज प्रोवाइडेड इन द सुपरविजन ऑफ द कोच और डॉक्टर, या तो कोच हो या डॉक्टर हो, उसके सामने सैंपल लिया. सैंपल इज टेकन इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ एन ऑफिशियल ऑफ सेम जेंडर. सैंपल इज split into two and sealed by the athlete. Athlete की तरह sealed किया जाना चाहिए. Code is provided by the official. After sampling, medical declaration is done by the athlete. Samples are sent to the registered lab where sample A is tested. If sample is tested positive, athlete is notified. Athlete or his representative is authorized to be present at that time of unsealing of sample B and testing. Now, blood testing. It is used to detect EPO or artificial oxygen carriers. Two samples are taken in the presence of an official. Samples are sealed in the presence of athlete. Same procedure as mentioned for urine test is followed. Now continue in competition testing. It is the testing period commencing 12 hours prior to the event for the athlete who is to compete. Sample is taken for testing. In competition, testing is at international and national level. A single doping control organization is responsible for in competition doping test. It is for the detection of anabolic steroids, stimulants and blood doping hormones. Level Olympic Games, International Olympic Committees Organization, उसमें इंटरनेशनल IOC जिसे बोलते हैं, इंटरनेशनल ओलंपिक कमेटी. वर्ल्ड चैम्पियनशिप में इंटरनेशनल फेडरेशन, नेशनल लेवल पर नेशनल एंटी डोपिंग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. Now continue. It is out of competition testing. It is the testing of an athlete not in competition, but it associated with the immediate participation in the event. It is initiated and directed by the both international and national doping control organization. World Anti-Doping Agency WADA में a random test ले सकती है वो, and advanced notice test any place of birth and any time. Now in this way this chapter has been completed, so I will take next topic, next chapter 6 number in next video. I hope you are doing my work and watching my video. Thanks.